Me don't know what them a pre-bout. Akeynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. This is one of my fans. This say hello. Hello. One of my little mini fans, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Blessed love, guys. Blessed love, blessed love. Yes, guys, you know, I'm here, obviously, in my community. Well, I cannot say obviously, you know, I'm here in my community of Seaview Garden. Yes, so, welcome to Seaview Garden. Good morning, good morning. So, guys, I'm here to link up Shay Work TV, you know, as promised. She said she have some, we call it some of them solar lights for us to take with us down by in Westmoreland, you know, to help out with people without lights, you know. So that's why I'm here, you know, to show you what's going to take place, and I'm here to pick it up. So welcome to Seaview Garden. So Seaview is very quiet. Seaview place is very quiet, you know, very nice residential area, you know. So once the use time is cool, everything is cool. But this is a very nice place, you know, it's nice to live and everything, you know. So as you can see, you don't see nobody at all. Everybody gonna work. So you know you have to work within this community. You cannot sit around because, you know, people keep develop, you know, keep on looking forward for a better place. So here we have Shay of our business here. Here's her container. Shay, what's going on? Good morning. And the first. Your fault.
Yes, I'm open from after 7 this morning and forget to turn it on.
Yeah. Wow, so this is what Shay have to help her down here.
Yeah.
Never know so you're going down here, Shay.
Yeah, so I'm going to come and
see you out, everybody see you out. Just come, percentage off everything they say you're keen on send you. You know?
Because in here hot.
In here is hot. Yeah. So she have shoes, slippers, male and female clothing.
The female side.
So right now I'm at the female side. So this is the female side, guys. So if you feel feminish, ladies, and you want to come get these hot girl things, you know, your thing for the dinner, for the dance, for the club, you know it, for the streets, for the home, right? High five. High five. Baby and everything. Oh, so this is the nail section over here. So tell them where this place is located, Shay.
We're in Seaview Gardens, approximately in Integrity. And if you come off Spanish Town Road, you come straight down. I'm hot, guys, excuse my sweating.
Yeah.
You come straight down to the stoplight in Seaview, make a right, and it's your first right turn after that. And you come straight down the road. We're at the end of the street.
Alright, if you don't know the name, that's a nitty-gritty.
Right.
Why do you act like that?
Everybody know nitty-gritty. Wait, say, why she act like that?
Well, you know what, mommy speak proper.
So the kicks them are here and everything. You got shorts, you got everything. She have all the wigs for the ladies, them.
Everything. Colognes in the showcase.
Yeah.
Men's socks. We have men hats. Everything.
Everything is here.
Body stuff. You know?
So basically, there's a little mini store here in Seaview Garden.
Yes.
So don't feel like you have to go outside if you live in Seaview also. And you want to come dress for the occasion, you can come check Shay. You know, come here and gritty. You know, your jeans, everything is here. Yeah. Nothing is missing at all.
No, fashion over jeans for the men. Any type of jeans, jumpers, whatever.
You name it. And the quality is here, it's all relevant, you know. Style, the fashion, you name it. You know, the type of shoes they may like, everything, slippers, everything is here in Seaview Garden.
So let me, if you want thing, these are all donation stuff from my pack out last night. All of these donation stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah. So...
All clothes donated?
Everything we get them there some tarp, some tarpaulin,
Them
wipes. You can get some of them little in a Akeynote. I'm have I think this is diapers. All these is donation too.
Okay.
White t-shirt, socks, underpants for men.
Yeah.
So if you want you can take like half of it because you know when
But you never prepared it though.
You
never prepared it.
prepare these, but may I say if you want you can.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we can show some of these.
Why
These are
is
just
it
adult
diapers
and some white tees and stuff in that.
Yeah, because diapers are also need as well.
Yeah, we have kids diapers as well.
Yeah, come on, you did have some kids diapers the last time.
You want some of those? Those bag out already though, you know.
The kids diapers?
Yeah, hold on. I think they're in.
Right now I'm on a pick up day today because I'm going to also pick up some stuff as well too.
These are newborns though.
Oh, newborns.
There's soap in there as well. So you can just grab the soap if you want. That's what I'm doing.
Alright. So.
Alright, you can come right here.
More storage.
Yeah, this is the storeroom. Alright, so these already.
These are the Pampers then?
Yeah.
The sizes and
Yeah, we packed them out last night and put the sizes on them.
Okay.
So from size 1 to 5.
That is good.
So
Yeah.
we can grab some of these. It's already done for you.
Yeah, like how these one already done.
Yeah.
You know, so if you can put some stuff in our, you have any more of them bags here we can get?
I'm gonna get a bag for you.
Yes, please.
And
And start up the solar lights.
The lights, them is the important one. Let me take out the lights.
Okay. You get to start them out?
What?
The lights them.
See them already in a box. Them already in boxes.
So here are the solar lights,
So
guys.
you can pull it out and show them one.
It's flashlights.
And it's lighted on both sides. A matter of fact, 3 sides. Let me show you. Come on, you look like it. Come on. Alright, so.
Okay.
And when you turn off this side, that
Okay.
one, come on. Turn off that one.
So each side of is one
Yeah,
switch.
and you turn off this side is there.
Oh,
Solar here, charging port.
that's great.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, this one unique.
yeah.
Let me see it turn off.
So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Can run out everything one time.
And we sell household items as well, yeah?
Like sheets.
Yeah, sheets, curtains, bathroom mats, kitchen mats, towels, whatever they want. Alright, let's see how much you know this. I think this should do, yeah, and I think this is 20.
That's 20.
Yeah, how much we have here?
6. That one is 6.
Alright, turn it off.
Turn
Ella.
it off.
I'm not to turn
Seven.
it off.
No, press it. Let's turn off that.
Jenny, you can get a bag for me?
Please.
Turn a bag. I beg you turn on the AC and make it in here about that.
What kind of bag you want?
A bag for just put them stuff in a Akeynote.
Them in the just give one bag or they give one bag.
You give me a bag a while ago?
One white bag. You want them to give back one.
But I think that can't fit. Eh?
And the AC is on.
You just turn it on, Jenny.
These are soaps.
This can hold.
That. Oh gosh, look what she'll
Man,
come
put
in.
the pampers them in that. Give me this. Give me the bag where you have.
Yeah. Give her that one. Yeah, you put some Pampers in that one. Bosses. Let me come get some. So you have kitchen stuff as well too, like kitchen mat and them good thing that
Yeah,
too.
man, kitchen mat, kitchen towel and them stuff.
Yeah.
And if there's something you don't see in the store, they could always order.
Alright
Yeah,
then.
we're on Instagram.
Which-
Name of the store is called Shay Boutique.
Shay, she?
Yes, from my name.
Oh,
SHEACHIC Boutique.
okay.
On Instagram.
On Instagram.
It's also on Facebook.
And Facebook as well.
Yes.
So guys, this is why we have to support each other. Look at the cars and look at the support she's giving right now to the people that's in need. You know? Look. So these are our solar lights. All solar lights in the packets and everything. Everything. Beautiful.
Lucky. Why can't you say lucky?
Cause she is lucky to be around Shay. Yeah.
If you whatever you don't get you want, you can always come. Just let me know and somebody will let you in. Let me see the first some size one.
Okay.
And you just come.
Yeah.
Because I gotta just zip them up in the Amazon stuff them. They're already in there.
Yeah.
So if you need more stuff, you tell me. Because I gotta try ship down again.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah.
No problem. So this is size 1 to 5 in this bag, right?
Huh?
Size 1 to 5 in this bag, a Pampers.
Yeah, try find the size one them.
So, these one are adult one, you say?
Huh?
These one out here, adults.
Yeah, I think those are extra large.
Okay, for adults.
Yeah, count them, Janice. It's supposed to be 20.
So I know me not count nothing.
Just a pack meat.
Pack in a bag.
Yeah, you can start over.
Alright, 2, 4, 6, 7,
You don't know.
and 3, 10, and 2, 15.
15 at the bag.
15 another bag.
Yeah. So that's 15.
15.
I have 3.
How much you say if you get 20?
20.
Chino. Never hear this because I don't want this to stay. Move Ellen.
Come, Ellen, go. This is what is
food, tin stuff.
tin stuff.
Yeah, so you can put those in a similar bag.
Alright then. Teen stuff here, guys.
17, 18, 19.
So all teen stuff. 20.
20.
Alright. You put that down back. Guys, see why we have to support each other, you know, because listen, we have to thank her so much, you know, for giving this. Because trust me, the need is there, you know, and to say, in this time, in this life, you cannot live for yourself. There is no life worth living if you're gonna live for yourself. No. I don't see it that way, isn't it? You cannot live for yourself, because at the end of the day, when we live in this universe, we're not taking anything with us. You know? Imagine that, we're not taking nothing at all. Even when you work all your life and you want all the millions and everything, you want all the house, all the car, everything, you want your bank account fat, so you work hard to gain that, you know, and when the time comes, you're not living with anything, you know. So the main thing is about showing love and compassion, you know, because trust me, nothing that we think we desire so much here, work so hard for it, when the time comes, we cannot take it with us, you know. So it's just what you do, you know, within the day that you have, you know, because you always have to survive a day by day. So the day we live through today right now watching is what we take the time to do, you know, which is showing love. Alright, so what we have here, Shay? A bigger bag, good.
Yeah, some big bag where you can carry.
Good.
This good for this not gonna bust out, right?
No, can we just put it in the care bag.
Alright, so we're gonna pack the things them is okay in the bag with them there, the lights. You need more bag?
Yeah, that's why I took up the bag there.
Thank you, darling.
Give me the bag there.
Oh, that one here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Big bag. Big bag.
And this is Akeynote Life in Jamaica fan, you know, guys.
Big fan.
Big fan, you know. The younger generation being inspired.
So she wants her own channel.
You right? What you gonna call it? You have a name yet for it?
Yeah.
What's the name?
The name is
The
nice people in the world.
Wow. Wow. You're one of the nice people?
Of course. Of course, she's one of the nice ones.
So the soap can't hold in this to Jenny?
Yeah,
the same bag here.
This one.
Put the soap them in this. You take some of the new one here?
No?
Take some of the new one. And the wipes. Wipes is there.
Ooh.
That one.
Let me get.
If you can't hold, just drop everything in the rice bag. And you know, so yeah.
Hey.
The wipes then, here.
I have clothes as well. I think this is great for them. The clothes and your cover, you go through them yourself if you want to.
Oh, we have to go through?
You have help.
Oh, well, for the clothes, we just take them as how them is. Because
Yeah,
when we did last time, we just take them as how them is. And we like, we have to go spread out the chapalin so everybody can look on them
It's
size.
2 different types.
And see like what size that suit them.
Put back those.
That
Those
look
are
like my long
back there.
john. How I know so? How I know so? That's at the top feet.
Yeah.
I don't see him exactly one like this when I go when me over
Baby,
there.
baby.
How much are these wipes?
Carry them tabs then. Yeah. You quick up to find people. You don't want to wait too long.
Alright. How much we take up? How much wipes?
You can take two of the big one then.
Two.
Put there. You can help me as well. Yeah.
Good job.
Thank you.
Alright, so let me see. This one. Jenny, you have credit on your phone?
No.
Never have credit yet. You can't bother with in Jamaica. Other bag you take up then, Kina? You
No.
can go on with this.
Yeah.
Go on with this.
So that's the newborn, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Newborn.
So these are the socks and the clothes over here in this pack, right?
Yeah, if you want, you can, Jenny's just throw them out and you just pick up some Kina. And throw in your bag.
Where did you get this from?
There.
Let's put them in night then.
Yeah.
These are kids.
Is kids and men, you know.
Man,
Yeah.
Marina, T-shirt,
One of my clients at
where
work
did you
donated
get
those.
this from?
Okay.
T-shirt.
Where did you get this from?
This
Yes,
one,
yes,
a
sorry.
friend of mine. Oh, it's good thing you remind me. I left one. So here's brand new stuff coming to Westmoreland from Shay. Well,
You pack them, you have to go match them up.
yeah.
Why you want to mismatch them?
No, because some of them,
No, we don't
Drop
pack
off.
last night.
yeah, drop off for them one another. So
Need to work to fix up.
you may underpants. Mm.
You put chocolate like that.
Look,
So this box in front of you, that's all donation as well.
This one.
Yep. So
So if I make that one, I stay till I come.
you can, as I say, you can always come and go through it if you want.
Okay.
But definitely I come with more stuff. So
Alright then.
yeah, we
So
have
you can
more
come
stuff.
and go through it.
Yeah, you can come when you have time and go through that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And take out some more stuff.
Alright.
Alright then, let me see. You know, we get some of the adult pampers them put in other bag as well.
You never take none of those, right? And yes, you have people who need.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I'm transfer it already. Right there. Hold on.
you have to go get back here.
Yeah.
White plastic. Yeah, man, I know them are going to charge you.
Like the 2 pound. Preferably 2 pound and
And put them in it.
Yeah.
like 3 or 4. You
Yeah,
understand?
Yeah, man, the money transfer is there.
Thank you for subscribing.
So Johnny is just throw all of them things in a one bag.
Savings are withdrawn from, right?
No, check in.
Savings are from the card.
Check in. Check in.
Savings from the card. Checking the day.
Hey.
Here, all this for me.
Yeah, from
Okay.
current, yeah.
You gonna help me with that?
Yes.
Now hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so when me that talk about Kino?
Yeah.
Alright, leave that. Here we go
Yeah.
down.
Need a stronger bag for
No,
this
you
one.
see that rice bag there? We have
This-
whichever bag in our hand there.
Yeah.
You can transfer those and then you use the rice bag.
Alright, yeah, because it's better that way.
Yeah. Nuts for the other? No, you can just give them the card, the money on it, then you're going to draw whatever. So remember me and Ella.
Wait.
Yes.
Yeah, it's our.
Alright. Yeah, listen. Then you feel a little bit better now.
Yeah.
Hey, that AC about still, you know?
Oh, yeah.
What? You come all night, you can't see now.
Eh,
Cross up the place. Alright, hold on, Ella, hold on.
But one of them mackerel, them sardine, when them get them.
Oh, you?
No, I say when them get them and cook them up with all pure pepper and everything.
Them are tinnering.
Yeah.
Somebody need to drop off everything.
Or drop them in the bags.
Yeah.
Key.
Them bonigo. One missing. I hope you find all of them.
She can be.
Yeah.
Put the chopper in.
What is it?
It's set now.
Big
Go on, my friend. Go on, my friend.
So where are we going?
We're going right here to the car.
To the back of the trunk?
Put this one right here. Thank you. Come, you're a youth. Come, hold my camera for me now.
Okay.
You're the video lady, right? Doing good?
Yes.
You doing good? Alright, hold in. Come then. Come then. Yeah.
They're going inside now.
Hold it properly, make sure you see it.
Yeah, make sure you're
Look,
looking what
look.
you're doing.
Look at Kina.
Yeah, looking what you're doing, okay?
Yeah.
It's a new year. The new day. But they are college for Westmoreland. Alright. You doing good?
Yes.
Thank you. We're doing good. Cause we're doing really good. Cause we're doing good.
Okay. Yes, no.
Who you watching?
She's doing good. Alright, so these are the lights, right?
Yes.
You see me? You sure?
Yes.
Alright. Guys, tell me how she's doing. Right, tell me how she's doing. So these are the solar lights.
That's Ella helping out Kino with his camera.
Check out Ella's TV.
I hope you're getting Kino good, you know.
Yeah, she is. She's doing a wonderful job already. So welcome to Ella's World. You like that name? Ella's World?
I do.
Yeah. Welcome to Ella's World.
Welcome to Ella's world.
Alright, we look set now, Shay.
Yes, I hear that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Big up to Shay World's TV. She did it again. As I can look at that.
Yeah.
You know, that's all the love that she's showing. And, you know, it takes a lot to do all of this as well too. You know, because people say them have art, but don't know which part of the art they use.
True.
You know?
And thanks to all my customers in New York that donated.
Yes.
You know, big up to them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, definitely. And big up to the subscribers them as well. And guys, please go check out Kino Life in Jamaica.
I would thank you so much, you know,
Yes.
being so considerate for seeing the need, what's going on in Jamaica. I would thank you for showing the love. Let's keep supporting each other.
Definitely.
Because united we stand and together we can make a change.
Yes.
You know, so this is togetherness right here with it. It's not no individual change. You know, there's no such I in team. So
look at the little girl.
I know she's doing well, right?
Listen, she don't have to position. Look at you.
Sure, she's doing so good. Guys, remember to check out our YouTube channel in the future, you know.
Yeah.
Right? Level spinning through. Well, shall go on good.
Yeah.
Guys, for the future, see her here. Awesome. very talented already. It's natural, you know. That's why you look for the natural talent, you know. Ella, thank you so much.
You're welcome, guys.
Hey. And I thank her for watching Kina Life in Jamaica so much, you know.
Yes.
And Shay, once more again,
Yeah, man.
it's nothing but love and love alone.
Yes,
You know, so
big respect to you.
while I'm not here, I come dig down the container
Yes,
so me can get here.
definitely,
So
definitely.
see me I come knock up the door them here. Thank you as well for the love and the support. So guys, remember go over and check out Shay World TV.
Yes.
Shay to the world.
Share to the world, all
see
over
me?
the world we're going.
And watch her on your TV.
Yes.
You see the great work we're
Yeah.
doing here. So we give thanks.
Right.
Shay, nothing but love.
Yes.
Guys, so anything else, so me have more pickups to go do same way. You know, the journey I have to take on, you know. So remember, you know, it's not about what you do with your life, it's what you do within the day. You know, because yesterday was the past and tomorrow is the future, which is not coming yet. So today is what counts. You know, so we have to do the right thing within the day where we are, which is now. Everything is within the now. When you think about the past, you think about the past and the now. When you think about the future, you think about the future, same place in the now. So everything we have to do it right now. You know, so remember, no. Stop, put your mind where your head when you're right here, right now. Oh, my son. Blessed love. Yeah. The barge are there. Barge is here. I'm going to ask if you come up here now.
General Bad. Yeah, just picture man.
Oh.
Auntie G. Afternoon.
They said, me now, they said, where's Kino?
Yeah.
I said, no reach yet. Then me see him, I said, like, you tell the Kino there.
Yeah, just in time.
Yes.
Just in time, Auntie. One more time. One more time. There.
Yeah.
Barger is here.
Yeah.
Have no fear.
Yes.
What would they
On the
call?
ground.
Pull it for you.
Pull it. Yeah, Shahara and Hester is here.
Esther is here, and Shara.
Shayara.
Shara.
Shayara.
Shara.
She named Shayara.
Yeah, man.
Is this us?
Yeah, let me tell you, this, if you look and see it, so we,
Men's care package.
right.
Men. So we're in for men. Boxers, underwear.
I was telling my sister about it. I said, toothbrush, soap, and towel. Me said,
Okay. Toothbrush, towel. So we
okay,
have these.
then this is it here. These are first aid kits. So we want to know if you want them or if you don't. Because they're like, if you drop it up, give us school, right,
Okay.
Hester? Something more than giving them the care package. Then just a good thing. Generally need a care package right now. What do you think?
So the first aid kit.
Yeah, so I leave them there for us to decide. I want you to take them, but I don't think you should just give them.
Oh, give them.
If you can carry to a school or somewhere.
Yeah.
So,
So what's in the first aid kit? Yeah. Left him down there, I'll come but just show Esther seat drop. No, I'm not asking about them. I'm telling him, I'll come but Alright, we make use of them.
alright. This is the
Tarpaulin.
tarpaulin. So it's
Okay, so this is our tarpaulin, yeah? which is chapalin, right?
What's it called?
I them call it. Yeah.
Tar. I see there.
But a chapa.
That trap.
Oh, but we Jamaican call it chapalin.
Teacher right here.
Yeah. But here, in Jamaica we call it chapalin. But it's tarp, right?
Yes.
It's tarp.
Tar.
Yeah.
These are beds. That if somebody don't, want a blow up bed until things straighten out, these are blow up beds right here.
So these are blow up beds.
These are. I think this is one also. I think.
How much blow up bed is this?
I think we have four.
Four
Four or
bed.
five.
Okay.
And this is children clothes. And that is all care package for women.
These one for women.
Right.
Okay.
All these bags having food, plates, everything. I don't know that. This will want you empty though.
These are the lights them.
This have a variety of stuff in it. Put them out.
Okay. Oh, this is the light. But wait, no one of this we get and we try work, it never work.
Not that.
Oh, not this.
Yellow one.
Oh, one big yellow one.
I mean, I think
Okay,
the other
yeah,
one
yeah.
didn't work no more. Come here, one up, then it won't work.
It won't work.
But this work.
Oh, this is the one where you can pull out like this, so.
Charge.
Yeah.
Solar. That.
Solar, yeah.
Solar.
Sit here.
Charge. Oh.
Solar. Yeah, we'll give you one of these.
So, we
Alright, so
have to take out all of this.
we have nails, hammer, ropes.
The sister like was didn't know what she expected them to do the ropes, but she said they might need boom, they're gonna need
Yeah, man.
But actually, I'm gonna need a rope though.
Yeah, man. Thing I'm gonna need. Thing I'm gonna need.
Right, them have some saw.
Yeah, this one look work down there. Them say. Come here, one big one.
that's another.
Extension. So these are just the main thing, just the flashlight and the sound ropes. And extension, which is then I get the light yet and the hammers then.
You have a bag to put these in?
Yeah. The blue bag going at the car. At the back of the car. Take out the blue bag. Blue bag. So the woman stuff, yeah? Where you say woman?
Yes, all of that.
You package them like them package up already like this?
Yeah, man, everything.
So single you can get them.
Yes, some of them they have soap, they have toothbrush, and all of that. Lady things.
So that's go right woman on that.
And I look on this, say hello, man.
Yeah. Oh, so just like this.
All of them.
You want me to craft the table?
And what we have here now?
These are grocery. Put some plates and cup, pot, everything in there.
Grocery?
These are not fine. These are. I've never all of them. Throw that down there. Flour, rice, everything. But we tie the bags in because last night I didn't know if it was going to rain. So I took have them out and I cover them.
So they got the plates them, right? Every bag of plates inside?
Everybody has plates
And cups.
and cups.
Okay.
Everybody needs their card, like the reason being, I buy gallon high, I'm gonna take my could I get bottle out here.
Oh, we never get in a bottle?
No.
Okay. Right, so. Hey guys, so as you can see, the overcomers, that we did it again. You know, overcomers give us some care package. So inside this care package now. Yeah. So the care package, them as you can see, plates, cups, you know, food stuff, flour, rice, cornmeal, you know. There's a lot. Alright, so we have these, we have cups and forks. Inside them we have plates, we have cornmeal, we have flour, we have rice, we have oil, we have tin stuff, sardine and mackerel, and we have macaroni and cheese, we have carnation, milk as well too. And they have more stuff at the bottom. Okay. So we have these bags now for the ladies. Them, you know, ladies need them. Ladies need them. So them rare for when them time come off the month. You know, and plus them soap. They got their rag. They got toothbrush as well as inside them. So these are all for ladies. It's all for ladies. Esther, this is for ladies.
Like it's on you something.
You know, ladies production. Them already bag out still and everything, yeah. So that was give them one.
Where do you want to go down there? Land of the giant foot down. Land of the giant foot down. Yeah.
Them the one, the flashlight them?
Yeah.
I'll put another bag there. A blue bag same. And then how is this again? At the top, them
How size is this? 14 bits.
14 and more.
Big and 12.
But move it and say for the same tarp.
Big and 12.
Okay, please. I'm say for the same.
14 and 13.
Oh, these are the blow up bed. Oh, these are the blow up bed. How much blow up bed?
4, she said.
1, 2.
I want this.
No.
3.
Them better. Alright, done?
Yeah, man. Them this.
How much is that? 2?
4 of them, she said. 2 in a this. I want this.
2.
Oh, yeah, these are 2.
And these are the next 2?
And that's supposed to be the next 2.
So what is them? There's another one this. Yeah, another one this.
I don't know if I want in a this.
Top early. So 1, 2. So 2
The
another.
other one. The other one.
So 1 this then.
Yeah, this.
What's it like 2?
This is like 2 or that the part of
Yeah,
it.
2.
Or this is the part of the part of it.
You have to ask her when she
This is
come.
1. Oh, this is 1 here. This is the
Let me see, what be man? I have to know. Auntie, a 2 in a bag here?
The big one there, 1.
Like
Yeah, but this is
No,
1.
that's a queen size.
Yeah, this is a big one. This is a
Queen
big
size,
one. So this is
right?
one.
Yeah.
and a 2 in a this then.
size. And the one we take here, so at 2.
This is a 1 as well.
I that make the 4.
Okay. Oh, so
2 in a 1.
yeah.
1 in a 1.
So now 1 this 3 also?
So a 5.
A 5 then. A 5 then.
It's traveling, you know.
So a 5 then. But that one big one.
Yeah.
That's the one in a queen.
Them two, yeah. Queens, yeah.
Yeah. I want.
And these are the
Clothes, yeah.
kids' clothes. Put that. Kids' clothes. Alright, so we can put in them here in the car then.
Them,
Yeah.
You want big foot shoes? They might fit a country.
14.
Yeah, it fit somebody, man. We're going to bring
Must
it.
fit somebody.
Must fit somebody. We want to put them in first.
Yeah, the black one. Go on up there.
Car back open?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I'm put them open the car back. Open the car. Yeah. It's open. Make it stay open. Make it stay open. Bring on the rest of it. This are the flashlight then. You want to carry care pack? I put it over my vehicle then. Yeah. Try back this stuff out here. Yeah. I bring them to go over there, so. Bring them across the road. That's that car. Just about this bag. Or them have the ladies stuff too. More things left in there?
Back with it. The man thing that's there.
Yeah, we talk behind it for talk.
Yeah.
But you know, you're the
This.
One was a key,
Ah, I'm a general. Kingsley.
Bless up. Yeah, man.
It's been a while. It's been a while. When are this?
This I got to.
No, that's no.
No, this I got to.
That's a
No, when.
That's
Where's
the man, that's all.
The man, yeah, the man. Bag, you tear it up.
No, man, I said so.
The main care package.
Okay.
Let me see what's in the men again, because we see what's in the ladies. What's in the ladies already. We want to see.
Rugs and all that.
Okay. So the man get the bathing soap and the toothbrush.
Yeah.
And the rag. Okay. That too?
No, that's all.
Oh, okay.
That's a dog.
No, that's
Because Gary said try it on me.
We're trying to make them take my bag.
I'm Bengan. I'm a Bengan for the road.
Yes.
Oh.
That one here the men. That was rag and soap. Rag and soap and toothbrush.
Yeah.
So I'm saying we have to really thank the overcomers again. You know, we thank them so much for them blessings to helping out towards the care package them for the countryside, which is right into Westmoreland. We have to thank Auntie so much. Thank each and everyone that plays a part and help out.
Yes, sir.
You know, we love the compassion. We thank you for the love. Thank you so much. Overcomers did it again. Back to school again
back
this
to
year.
School.
So it's going to be bigger and better this year.
Better.
Because we have so much bags already. You know, if we can get some more bags, we can cater for at least 1,000.
Because I saw in one time young Esther
up some stuff and bags.
I couldn't carry the box and I had to put it in the back of something. And so that's a whole lot of stuff too.
Yeah, if we can get some more, see, I mean, you know, so we can cater for 1,000, like how we never did last year. And this year, we there.
Yes. So again, thank you all.
Yes, guys. So
everybody that donate something to me, appreciate it.
Yeah, man. So we thank each and everyone that played a part. You know, we thank you so much. Nothing but love and love. Overcomers, Olivia, pick up yourself.
Big up.
You know, we carry this bag. Put some pampers tonight for the baby then. Right, Auntie?
All right, take care.
All right,
see you.
How about you there?
At the back. Yes.
Kingsley.
Yeah, man. Bless up.
You know the thing goes, you know.
Yeah, man. Come on. Just go on, do the thing, because you don't know already.
Yes, I.
Don't know.
Yeah, man. We're not going to stop.
Yeah, man.
We're not going to stop.
Yeah, man. Bless up. Yeah, man. We'll leave you. Hey, as soon as you can deal with it, with the sense of it.
No, I'm coming to talk.
Cranberry?
Yeah, like give them one the bag. Instead that we're going to have a come up here another day. Roger, we'll give Cranberry one of the bag them. Yeah. Yeah, but we'll just go on a Cranberry and give them one of the bag. No. Well guys, them say change our weather, change our tire. The weather change. Eh? I got a something you pick up and nail or something. I don't even know. I got a punch after we left. You know, and the rain came down as well. So we have to change the tire. In the rain. You want to see the rain and change the tire. So you know, I'm soak and I find a t-shirt in my vehicle. You know, I have to put it on. You know, trust me. It's all good experience, you know. All good experience. Yeah, but it's all good experience, you know. So we have to have those experience. So when I left here, after we drop off this bag for Cranberry, then we can literally just get it patched and sorted. You know? Get that well patched and sorted. I never expected that at all. Sorry, cool.
Your tire was 17?
Yeah.
Mine was 15. Need to buy the tire cover.
Charcoal? Really? No, sir. Yeah, I want some bitters in the blood. I can't believe such a cool. Yeah. Yeah, such a cool. Really, really. So suppose should I get wet up a while ago? Should I sick? Guys, Shay says she's cold. Yeah. Eh?
Somebody have to know that I bet you have to put your tongue, but I will. You have to tell me to walk.
No, man, you're so easy for you walk.
No,
That's
you
it.
never slip off. You can't come.
No, you're not slippery, so this is slippery.
No, man, I can't do it.
Oh. Now come, now come. Oh, them are wait this one. Charge your farm now, you know. See there? Yo, charge it.
Oh, yeah.
Charge your farm up the place, you know. Farm looking good. Farm looking good. We'll go drop out and move there. Come. Can I walk through here, sir? Can I walk through here, sir? Walk through the farm.
Treading through the farm.
Tough, innit?
Yeah, white nose, man.
Oh, something here on top, you know.
Like you must say, a long time I don't see him.
Yeah.
Yo, what you doing there? Evening.
A long time, man. I see you already, man.
Yeah. Say, ear done. Who do your ear? Come on, me.
The foot where you see me down to them place.
Them one do it. See me I show you. So them stay.
It eat up now, you know, because yeah, give some product.
They never see me down and you see them, but there you see me.
Yeah.
Down them man. Bad. But them man draw knife.
You say them want cut off the man food.
Foot there.
Come on, so
Yeah.
again.
Come on.
You may tell you.
So, Baja,
Yeah.
can you never come up here since the last time you set up the store?
Yeah.
Cranberry. Stop it now. The kitchen now.
Yeah.
Can I set up a little counter?
Okay.
But what you want me to buy? I go buy one stove and one fridge. But me I want that to fit. Over there, so for that to size there, so we map there, so.
Store in fridge.
Alright, this store.
Yeah, you have stove can fit here, sir. The stove will fit here, sir.
The store.
You just have to go back to that side. The stove can fit this.
So this same kind of made shift up.
Okay. So you never apply?
Yeah, me have to use the solid text, man. Solid text is more smooth. I'm going to use this after take it out. I'm never going to go.
So we have use that, sir?
I'm going to sing me, I can put next time.
I like a single.
Yeah.
Single sink can fit in that size there?
I have a little bar one there. I have a little bar one there. I believe, I don't know if I wait here for 1 foot. I believe it's good at your whole night. Why? One, you know, so one you see over here the other day, but you know, there, you don't know, you have to know to sell now. One there on your step.
No, crazy.
Come early.
How far the water go run? When you put the seed.
The water go up and
No, yeah, which part it go?
come back right road for the water.
I'm going there, sir.
Yeah.
I'm going so.
Yeah, go back so. Come back down the water so. When the water not going on about, they're going to go
No, man, for water.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm check say it now go that way there.
Yeah, so yeah, that come that side, any side. Like people do when I back more easier.
Oh, yeah, because you also have a better slope.
We go so go right.
Go the way there and go and nearer.
Yeah, for pitch over
Have
right.
a pitch
up,
down there, so.
Yeah.
So you see this now, you should have make this look over here, so.
Over on that side.
And make the way name there. The stove there on the side, that means, you see where you done do, instead of you make a turn now. You just make one thing so. You understand?
Yeah.
To round here so, and drop the sink either here so, or in the corner there so. So you don't just have that straight piece here alone, you don't need the turn. So basically you have more space.
More space.
Yeah. You have more space to play with. Than thing.
So to the best if you can put the sink
Yeah, on the side. Just one thing on the side because you have to talk about thing about the water where you're going. And behind you is so slope. And it can come against the wall, the pipe, come against the wall and go right down.
Yeah.
And it's out of everybody way.
And it's pipe when it goes out.
Yeah. You understand? So less pipe and less turning because you can't turn in a people place. So you have to penetrate away. You understand? So you can move this and put it over here. So. And the thing is, when you build counter, enough for the higher than 3 feet finish. That means the kids them can't able to use it. Now them can't use this.
Why?
Too high. It have to be 3 feet from ground. Finish. So that means you're supposed to stand up over it and pull up your hands. So you're not supposed to like this. See me? So yeah. Anyway, the top finish, it's supposed to be 3 feet from the floor.
Oh.
You understand?
So it's not too low for adult?
No, because every kitchen counter are 3 feet finish. All of those things we are say are 3 feet. From floor to the top, it finish 3 feet.
So that's why go lower?
Yeah, it's too high because them can't use the amount to use it. It's supposed to be something where you just put your hand over it. You understand? Over it. You're not supposed to be and then you go down so. You're supposed to do over it so another one say.
Okay.
You know? So this is why. It's best to put it on the side and just one thing. Don't get a turn. You understand? And whenever time you have the sink where you deal with, you have to get the measurement of the bottom. The bottom, I think we are talking about a 1 foot still. 1 foot. Wide.
Yeah, man,
yeah, man, we know we are talking. You know, so after you have to make sure you have 1 foot in between. So. You know, so?
Yeah. Because I see it the other day and I said, it kind of looks small.
Yeah. You know, this looks like around 1 foot still. Or over 1 foot here, so.
No, because the thing, the liquor, you could have hold it.
Yeah, man, 1 foot. Because it's around 1 foot. Yeah, but you don't need this. You just need one straight piece from there, so come across and you can put the sink in the corner and then the upper part. Yes, so you do your thing, then the stove can go over there, so.
And the fridge
you understand? And the fridge can go.
Okay.
In the corner.
So I'm going to switch this,
switch
come
this
right here, so.
You understand? Yeah.
Oh.
Because we're really happy in there, you want, when you, the stove, you want it close to the window. So heat and them thing, they steam can exit. When it over here, so then it does splash.
You know,
I get that smell, I go out same time and kind of cluster and so. So it have to get to the window side and thing.
Tomorrow, man.
No? Come on.
So you have to go take it down.
Yeah, so take it down and just put it over here. But don't go higher on this because the kids them can't work with it.
Right on the tree.
Yeah.
So that have to go on and charge it then?
Yeah. Yeah, man, I move it up, man.
But I want him to finish up so I could
Yeah.
but you know the kind of the injury.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad to see you heal up a little while because we're going to have a situation. I got a bad. I got a bad. Don't never say, I'm fight for you, right? Because it's a fixing shop, you know. And I'm experiment up there. Yeah, so, you know, can't wrong.
I know the man foot heal up all that thing. Heal up.
One natural medicine. Yeah, because we go to the hospital and they want to operate on the man like animal. You understand? The man said, no, I'm not depend that. Now get rid of foot. I see that now. And 1 year do that natural medicine.
Yes.
Real thing.
Real thing, man. So real. So I will give thanks to So what charges? So we boy have to go jump on that then.
Yeah,
Go jump on that. Cause I really want to finish off this Baja. You see me? So I don't know when I have Baja every
So what
time.
you apply?
yeah, man, I can apply, man. I can get apply, man. I one of them.
Yeah, where do?
Same thing apply.
Get apply and come up on one of them there, come put you up for you.
Alright.
You see me?
Alright.
And you can't wear name there. When you do that, you can even put piece of mesh on the top and drop it piece of tile.
Okay.
Because I see them have something in the audio, I go buy put on it, you know. Like
solid text we give our tile up there, you can use them on it too. Some of them come with a sticker and some of them will go on like farmer.
yeah, because it look like I want to more thick on there.
Yeah.
So me that want a one ply.
Yeah, one sheet of plywood.
Okay.
But you know what, if you buy the ply, I don't know if you could buy the T level.
Like more thinner one.
No, the one like this. Because you have a problem with this now. You don't have chichi problem. If you don't have chichi problem, you can buy it 5 years.
Okay.
Because this.
I told them player come more oily, more.
No, these come treated.
Yeah, that me. I said, but the next guy them more easy to take on the next
because the other one don't treat it. These are treated ply. You know? The rest of the rest of them are treated. So, T111. Them treated. Yeah, them treated.
Them money when you buy one of them, you can almost buy 3 of the next one, you know.
What are they, man?
Yeah, when you buy one of them, you can almost buy 3 of the next one.
They use them in a ceiling too, you know. Then the big man, rich man, they use in a ceiling and when you varnish.
Okay.
And varnish it, you know.
Yeah,
because you get like groove and come.
I 30-something told, so I asked back for them, I 10,250 off one of them.
T111 man, them there.
I want 10,250 off one of them. The next one I did 4, almost 5 grand.
But here the problem. Here the best thing about this. It's because over a period of time, you have to change it and talk about chichi. The other one,
I will change.
once chichi touch it, he just eat it.
Okay.
You have to see this how we should do it.
Yeah.
Oh, 10,000 for one.
I want to 10,000 much one of them.
And the thing is, here what we did too. They say if you use it for that purpose of the sink, the happy is that it have a water resistant.
Okay.
It was a wet area.
Yeah.
The other one, once water start
Start to deteriorate.
Start deteriorate.
Yeah.
You understand?
So with this now you won't have that problem
You're
there.
not going to have a problem there.
Okay.
You won't have the problem there.
So you need just one of this alone.
Just one of that.
Just one of that.
One of that there. You have 2 before you can go. If you have 3 things, you can use it. So you don't want not more.
Alright, so soon as we organize that then with us, we make Baja forward up and come put it up for you then charge it. Yeah, so feel better. Yeah. So guys, as soon as we get a play down Baja, we just come and fix this. Put this over the side here and then we could take it and get the sink and get everything. And then we'll just finish up this Baja. We're gonna need more. I need more ply for this. Solitex for this.
Alright, yeah. Just need peace.
You need peas. I'm going to go shift over.
So you know, a little piece can fit in there.
Yeah, me have to look a piece.
If a piece can fit in there, so all I need is somewhere in there now and you just strip it. You just strip it.
Well, I never did fix this yet. I chose to tell somebody change over, I zinc them.
Or they say they have a leak and say they want the water. Quite easy. Easy for damage.
Yeah. So, don't buy the top leaf for go funny, but when they make the rain, so I'm going to put it on it there. Yeah, because when they move over, change over the zinc them on, so them go get the wall. So I'm near the wall, I'm going to go back and change them. But the tiles that they on your side.
I thought, so you move them after the storm?
After the storm, actually the storm the lift off the top, so I just make one thing when me do and just bring it back over,
Okay. Tara. Alright, so me have to bring a bag of food from the overcomers.
Yeah.
You know. Some stuff in there. Overcomers.
Thank you, overcomers. God bless you. Do have a wonderful day.
Yeah. The charges thank the overcomers.
Yes, overcomer, give thanks again, you know. Holy for honor and thanks again, you know.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, give thanks.
Come on, so the plant and get some water and everything.
Yeah. They rain, chop them up away.
The rain fall heavy up here?
No, where they went Monday.
Oh. The water will beat them down.
Look where they the place, bro.
Yeah.
Get it together, man. Yeah, get it together. We have pepper night, man, to the liquor. Never saw tomato. When I went and 2 pints, I burned up the whole little tomato tree there when I pot.
Them throw something on it.
Burn up the little tomato tree there when I pot.
How would them throw? I know the ashes do that.
No, ashes get to the answer, man. Fungus.
Good look. Right, I think I'm starting to utilize the land, you know? It's plant. Yeah.
Everything charged. Every day I buy something like this. Every day I say, boom, I go get piece of land.
You push something like that.
Yeah, I just did and go and hold a reason and talk to it.
Yeah. Well, especially close to the river. By the brush you're close. Gone, spring. Evening. Are you there here? It was hiding.
Just about Tara.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh, Cranberry, you comb. You get hairstyle, hair spoil. And Nana and Toko. Tara not getting none. We're going to take Tara to the barber.
Yeah, man, she's too bad.
Yeah, Tara going to the barber shop.
She moved like
Yesterday. Exactly. Yeah. Yesterday she well like she full of so much energy, and today watch her now show off. Sometimes yeah, man.
You want Tara be a styling thing.
She's sometimes run gone. Where Tara? Guys, so she behave yesterday and watch her now. Look on her now. Run gone. Alright then, Chargy. Yeah. So you know what thing going on? Run go down, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Cranberry.
Yeah, man. Keep it same, yeah. Talker.
Oh,
Esther, I miss you.
Esther, the out there, son.
Yeah.
Show to the river. She never come out.
Me see her.
Which way you see her? Which way you see Esther?
Me see somebody, something like here.
Where?
Right, I'm gonna
You too lie.
somebody start back when you want.
Okay, lucky. I don't want Tara go. Where you gonna say? Tara show up yesterday. Appear things. I know today look on her. No star. Yeah. Oh, Tara and just like the weather. Yeah. And she not tell me bye bye. Where? Me and you? No friend. No, she not tell me no bye bye. Nah. Why you do that? Why you do that? You got pink up there on you so.
What was lick me down yesterday? I'm gonna come over.
Take up that brush here. Okay, I say she start using it on you so you have pink on you so now.
Guess what white nose I'm gonna come over yesterday.
Him lick it down. Oh shh. White nose wildlife. Him wild. White nose, go and sit down. Alright guys, so we drop off that bag from the overcomers. You know, we thank the overcomers so much. So we're going to head down in Churchtown now and put away this stuff and get things started, you know, for Westmoreland. I have to go to the tire shop right now as well. Yeah? Oh?
30 grand.
Drop?
Almost.
Oh. There's a man on the run for drop. I mean droppy. Alright, go sit down. Go on.
Looking at Aki tree. What? Let me grant you how much Aki tree. Inside through the tree wet.
Making a picture.
Open that kid there.
What? I want it in that tree.
Okay.
Then Friday we are going to school and then Saturday we are going to Saturday class. We're going to keep up. See that's about to cook. Sometimes if we get them money, I can come on Saturday. Then my mother pay all of this sometime too. Because mother said she don't have the money. She don't know what we are going to do. So she has something to buy here.
Eh? Oh, gone.
I'm very clean door.
She finally bed.
Very clean.
Yeah, clean to the guy where they are coming on so the black and dirty. Like the black and white. Black and white.
Hello, you know say Esther where you say I come look from?
We don't go to Aya family. We don't go to Aya family. It's not family. Never remember family. Yeah. After that, I'm asking to you and say,
She confused like.
Look at that, you mother, I need to say, I'll be there. I'm saying she come here. You know it's my granddaughter then now? No, man, it's not my granddaughter. It's like you know, baby.
Feeding at the brain.
So, over there, over there, so I don't know why I'm not going to look at it.
If she lie.
No,
Look, Esther, look when Nana she talk up her ears.
Every time she not drive, I can't remember sometime you have to be her and I can't.
This is the first thing she can
Yes, mother down there sleep. Look my ballad Aki them, look here. I know for them on a bus out and full on pull me happy. To my granny no come, me no get no Aki.
Yeah, send them go on to England, man.
If you come tomorrow, I can make boom pick them. I thought you gonna hear them in a ball. A ball them a ball for the Aki.
Yeah, man, send them to England.
Let's send Aki at England. I can send it to her. Like all money too.
Eh?
That this time to start the car.
Alright, high five. Going up. Later.
Saturday, remember.
Yeah. Later.
Love you.
Alright, love you.
Yeah, Nana.
Nana.
Yeah, man, go on, big moves. Go ahead. No.
My uncle, see you one tomorrow.
Yeah, no, see you.
Merry Christmas, Daddy too.
What's going on? Wait.
So I don't want to go to the Esther car first. First thing they're going right? Yeah, so they're not the top, though. Tell me the blue up there.
Oh, Jack. Come on.
What's the rest of my ground the same? No, we'll go around this rest of them. Just rest in this. Yeah. Put the food in the bag. Yes, I want to lose our spot, you know.
Ah oui, mais pas. Instant, ok, on commence à l'eau.
Yeah. But them are the chapali and things.
This is the man some put them in that. Chapali. I cover them left to them early.
Then do what I say. Alright, so let me sit down on the ground. Yeah. How would I on the ground for that going there? Oh, gross with this too. Oh, this how this will show it. Look at the big bag. How far this not about this? Different perfect thing there.
I'm going to hit them all, yeah. I put them in that side.
Yeah. I eat that, I'm checking it. I eat that though.
What me do? Me no busy with Esther.
Yeah. I made a one donation for you from what you know. From Lucky Star. Yeah. Prefect from the other day, we have this put on claim over there from Lucky Star. $4,000 from Lucky Star from New York.
Lucky Star from New York. Really appreciate it. Many thanks. Happy New Year, you know. Wish you all the best that life after after. You see me?
Yeah.
Extended family. Bless upon yourself. Oliver and Carla, one love.
Yeah.
Happy New Year. Bless upon yourself. And I wish you all the best that life after after.
Yeah.
2026. I don't know. Journey start. The journey never stops, you know.
Yeah.
We're always on it. So bless upon yourself. One love.
Alright. Guys, so we just touched down in the base. You know, it's been raining. You know, it's been raining in Georgia.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.